All right, Spartans, this is Nelson Diaz from Spartan Race Canada. And yes, I accept the challenge. It is 10 burpees, 15 push-ups, 20 air squats, 8 around the world planks, which I just found out what they were. 3 rounds for time. It is cold. It's been raining all day, but it's gonna get done. Okay, Spartans, that was no joke. Just finished the challenge. 10 burpees, 15 push-ups, 20 air squats, 8 around the world, 3 rounds, 4 time. My time was 6 minutes, 38 seconds, 0.68. So let's call it 6 minutes, 39 seconds. We're not gonna call you out, guys. We're beyond that. If you've seen the video, consider yourself already called out. See what you got, Spartans. Haru!